Hi, my name is Oyenuga Ridwan, and I'll be answering your podcast questions in this episode.
Welcome to the Ask and Answer podcast, where all your questions as an audio creative will be answered by experts and industry leaders. Are you ready? Now, let's get into the episode. The first question for this episode says, "Hello dear, as an audio creative, I get really stressed after creating my craft. Can you share some effective stress reduction techniques for audio creators, such as meditation or exercise?"
Firstly, as an audio creative, stress is almost inevitable. That's one thing, and because you have this long hours, intense focus, and this constant need to more of craft whatever you want to do. And one of the most effective ways to actually manage this is through mindfulness and structured relaxation techniques. And at SereniMind, we emphasize the power of guided meditation to help creatives to reset. Just like a 10 to 15 minutes deep breathing or progressive relaxation can significantly reduce stress level and improve focus. It could be the 5-7-8 technique where you have to inhale for the 4-7-8. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, then exhale for about 8 seconds. That's it. And exercising is also another great stress reliever. Even just a simple activity like just stretching, recording sessions, or just taking a short walk outside can actually boost the mental clarity and prevent burnout. And additionally, sound therapy is something every creative should be familiar with. It's just listening to sounds, beats, basically frequencies that will calm you down and help you better. And finally, is to set clear boundaries. So setting clear boundaries are very essential. Over editing or perfectionism can lead to burnout. So just be intentional about scheduling breaks, and more particularly in SereniMind, we just encourage creatives to prioritize mental wellness, whether through mindfulness routine, it could be journaling, or just connecting with a supportive community.
Now, let's get to the next question. It says, "How do I balance my lifestyle and health so I don't get burnt out mentally as a creative?"
And now to the second question here. Balancing your lifestyle and mental wellness as a creative requires intentional effort. It doesn't just come, it requires intentional effort, because burnout happens when there is no distinction between your work and rest. So setting structured work hours very key. So, and at SereniMind, we encourage creatives to just adopt a mindful routine and something that just promotes this balance, whether it is scheduling breaks or practicing gratitude, or engaging in short self-relaxation in short self-reflection exercises. And another very, very good thing is to prioritize sleep. Poor rest can actually hinder a creative from being creative, because we really, really need sleep, about 6 to 8 hours of sleep, quality sleep. 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep. And nutrition also plays a role. Staying hydrated and eating balanced meal, just getting your mood balanced basically. And physical activities too. So physical activities, they are very, very essential. So you don't need maybe one intense workout, 100 push-ups. You don't really need so much of that. Just a simple stretch, or just walk around, refresh your mind, or have more of like a community where you guys could connect. And I believe that having a strong support system, whether it is through maybe a peer group, or it is this mental wellness check-ins, these applications or something, can actually make a difference in preventing creative burnout. And lastly, do not hesitate, never hesitate a creative should never hesitate to take breaks and unplug when needed, because the truth is that your creativity thrives when your mind is rested. And sometimes stepping away from whatever it is, or from wherever you're doing would really help. Really help. So taking breaks, that's very, very important. Don't overwork yourself. When you see you are getting to that point, you don't even need to get to that point to know that, okay, you have to take a break. Once you've done this, you've seen, okay, it's quite calm. Take breaks, appreciate yourself, and just live normally. Thank you.
Alright, that's all for today on the Ask and Answer podcast. Thank you to our special guest for answering this episode's question. And to anyone listening, if you loved what you heard, then be sure to share and subscribe to our podcast. Don't forget to send in your questions using the link in the description. Thank you for listening. We'll see you again in the next episode. In the meantime, keep on creating magic with your voice. Bye.